of the challenges that we have as a country today is unemployment. And we have said we have to decisively and in a very deliberate and intentional way deal with that particular problem of unemployment. And that's why we have started a program of giving computers the Jitume program in each and every TVET institution. As we talk today, we have issued computers and introduced the Jitume program to 128 of our TVET institutions. Kisi was actually the second after Kabete, and you remember that particular program was launched by no another apart from the president of this country. We have said Jitume because it depends on your own personal initiative and efforts. That is what is going to give you success. Because as you are going on with your running process and activities, at the same time, you can also earn money. We have now avenues, online jobs in America, in Europe, in Asia, Japan, and all these other countries. So kindly, young people, take advantage of that program which we have introduced as the Kenya Kwanza government for the benefit of our young people. I know there are young people in this country who are now earning the tune of 200,000, and I also know in the Kisi College, National Polytechnic, you have also taken advantage of the same, and there are quite a number of you who are benefiting out of that particular program. And kindly, if you have not joined, ensure that you join that particular program. What we also did with my friend, which I did not only for him, with my peers here, we have taken a step of making sure that we improve the TVET sector. Actually, they were comparing themselves with Teachers Service Commission, and we made a move. With the Public Service Commission, where Nariki was one of the beneficiaries, we promoted all of them, the principals who were in Chogu P, Q, and R, and Nariki, as he retired, we had promoted him to Chogu S. And also apart from that, we have taken steps in order to align the TVET sector with what is happening internationally. Lordship the Bishop, by introducing dual running in our institutions, by introducing CPET, as we have the system known as CPC in our secondary schools, we have equally introduced that one to make sure that the kind of education, the skills and the competencies we give our people are indeed relevant and will serve the young people not only here within the country, but globally and even regionally. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, was really pained with the untimely death of his friend, Nariki, and he sent his condolence message, which I will be able to read. He also sent his donation to the family, which I will also be able to take the opportunity to give his personal donation. And now I want to read the condolence message from His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, and the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, and their family and the friends of the late Daniel Marine from New York. Wale vijana wasikie, we had a pain at the passing on of Daniel Yariko Nyoki, the chief principal of Kisi National Polytechnic. He was a distinguished educationist and a peer of the community. Mr. Nyoki was also a respected selfless, and industrious man. A gentleman who served the community with the distinction. He was full of fresh ideas, exchanged many rhymes. We celebrate the great rhyme that he read and the rich memories that he leaves with us. We join the people of Kisii in honoring a man whose legacy will remain with us forever. May we be comforted by the word of the Lord in Psalms 46:1. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Rest in peace, my friend, Bwana Principal.